real. I'm pretty from my cellular. No, you won't sell your heart. No.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just miss me with the drama, unless you come in with the commas. Oh, DJ, turn the sound up.
Okay, sweetie, you look pretty.
How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody's like you do. I can't.
I'm sorry. We are still on our way going, and the traffic is actually green, but then Kelvin is watching football. I hate him. See, it's not red and we are passing. Ghanaians with time is something else, I don't know, but we are still waiting. The 10 is supposed to start at 4 and currently it's 5 something, almost 6.
Someone will just ask, why is Emelia Brobbey in Antwerp? I have been acting movies for over 15 years now, and I've been doing TV presentation for the past 7 years. All that is organizing a show, getting a space, it comes with a lot. So I reached out to some people to sponsor me. Oh, honorable Finance, honorable please, please let's give that for honorable. I came to Belgium in 2017. I came to premiere my movie Adam for Money, and honorable sponsored. And in 2025, he's still sponsoring. May God bless you and your wife and your children and your entire generation.
Amen.
Thank you very much. Honorable William,
I find the one, give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Time is at the essence. I try to teach you.
Right on time. Thank you. Focus on the script. So when the director calls the scene and it involves crying, I'll pick my script, go and sit at the corner. Whoever you are, when you come around, I won't mind. Why? Because I have to concentrate to bring out tears. So I put myself in the character and I act accordingly. If it's not a sorrowful movie and it's any other story, I would, select my scenes after reading the story, prep myself, have extra rights.
I have a question. First of all, I'm very happy to see you.
Thank you. And I just want to say thank you. Is it Crispin? Crispin.
Yes.
Crispin?
Yeah, Baldwin.
No, I want social media.
Crispin contains a lifestyle.
Okay. From day one, you've been promoting this event, and I want to say thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, and nice to meet you.
Likewise. So my question is, like I said, it feels like a podcast actually. I have like two questions. The first one is, being a celebrity in Ghana, how do you deal with the press, the bad press, the controversies, the gossips, and like paparazzi basically? How do you deal with it?
Okay, I won't sit here and lie. It's a difficult situation when you have scandals. It's sad and it's very disturbing because come to think of it, mentally it doesn't help you. Okay, let's say me, mentally it doesn't help me. Secondly, I have a family. So to me, it's a big deal for me. And I can't tell you that I manage it. It affects me physically, mentally, and all. And even my social life, because they are saying something about you that you know is not true. So you don't want to find yourself around some places. Meanwhile, there are the places that you want to go and have fun. So depriving you from having fun is also something else. So in as much as
You've been an actress, okay? My friend was like, because we always hear stories of celebrities that some of them, they do drugs, they take alcohol for them to get there, like the boost to go on set. What do you do, or what do you take, or what do you do?
okay, so I like part one. Yes. It's TikTok ni ene mwana. So when fresh, I won't sit here and I love it. But I don't take alcohol to act or to do anything. As I'm sitting here, I feel I made a cocktail with a trouble. Or him and Sammy, the one special one. And now him and me too, and follow. Let's assume you are following Emelia Brobbey, always wearing a different clothes on social media. Those clothes, let's say about 50% are gone.
Okay. Okay, sweetie, you look pretty. I can't lose.